two kinds of it, different color. The Alexandrite laser, but recently we upgraded to this. This one color is more beautiful, gray blue, and this one is pure gray. Okay, if you want to see the difference between these two machines, you can follow me and watch my profile. The newest video is about these two machines, and this one is RF radio frequency body slimming. We call it Venus Legacy. Okay. Oh, sorry. Wang Zong. And this one is a microneedling Murphy's 8. You see the needle, very, very small, and it's paired with gold, so that will not make an infection for your skin, for your client. And this one is microneedling too, but this one is some old type. And this one is the RF. Oh yes, it's a 2-in-1 laser slimming machine. This one is the EMS handle, and you can see there are 6 lanterns. This one is pure lantern, laser fat removal, and this one is the HIFU. You see it? It has 2 kinds of probes, 2 kinds of handle, and oh, I remember it have 10 probes, yeah, for different depths. You see, this one is 4.5 millimeter, and this one is 3.0 millimeter, and this one is a multifunctional machine. This handle is a pico laser handle. This one is a RF handle, and this one is the OPT light handle. Yeah, this one can do the hair removal and skin rejuvenate, and this one can do the tattoo removal, and this one for skin rejuvenation too. So this machine is very cost effective. And this one is our old diode laser with 1 handle. Yeah, you know, diode laser is for skin, for hair removal. And this one is the RF body slimming machine with 4 sides of handles. You see, this is the second big one. This is the most big one. And these 2, see it with the roller. Let me show you the roller and suction. And this 2 is our newest big roller massage machine. And there are many other machines. This one is the electro-muscle stimulate machine, and this one is also the Alexandrite laser. But our OEM, but our original. You see the outlook. And this one is a diode laser. This one too, our original type, but with very newest technique. This one, the diode handle with the little screen in it. You can adjust a parameter by using this one, this little screen. And we have the 2-in-1 machines too, multifunction. You can see directly this handle is a pico laser. And this one is also for slimming. It's a type of cryolipolysis machine. And this one also pico laser, but bigger, and the energy, from the side you can see the energy is bigger with it. And this one for face muscle stimulate and face slimming, because the